can do anything, you know, anything.
You can't stay here, you know, because I can't help you.
I could make a record. I can sing, you know, mama.
Beg work for $10 a week for the rest of my life. I'd rather die.
Sitting here in limbo.
This is my big chance. Nothing can stop me now, you know.
Here, sign here. And remember, I control this business.
What's the meaning of this, sir?
I mean, you get $20 for the record.
$20, sir? That don't sound right.
Putting up resistance, but I know that my faith will lead me.
You're going to be famous one day.
Oh, yeah.
Send this one to the editor. Make sure him get it.
But you can't expect me not to publish a picture like this.
Tell me of a pie up in the sky.